Are you looking for the best running shoes? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best running shoes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Under Armour Sonic 7. Need a running shoe that won't drain your bank account? Running Reviews editor Amanda Furrer recommends the Sonic 7. With its $110 price, it costs $40 to $50 less than typical trainers, but it still offers solid performance for day-to-day running. It's a budget shoe, but doesn't feel like a low-end shoe, said one RW tester. The Sonic 7's midsole is made with Hover cushioning, a proprietary Under Armour foam made of olefin wax. It generates a firm, responsive ride that helps you pick up the pace. While that's good for short and middle distances, testers report that the support isn't quite enough for long-distance running. Up top, the jacquard upper creates a snug wrap around the foot and offers good breathability for a comfortable, distraction-free fit. On the bottom, the Sonic features a full-coverage rubber outsole that solidly grips dry pavement, though testers noted some slippage in wet conditions. Let's face it, the Sonic 7 isn't perfect. More expensive trainers weigh less and have bouncier cushioning foams, but it's light enough and peppy, and a solid overall shoe if you're looking for a bargain. Number 2. Brooks Glycerin Max Running Shoe. Released this last October, the newish Glycerin Max showcases some exciting tech for runners who love a pillowy ride from mellow to moderate-paced training runs. The first thing you'll notice about this shoe is its massive midsole. Just over 42 millimeters tall at the heel, it's exceptionally thick. And it features a new foam, DNA-tuned, that's infused with nitrogen gas. Brooks already has other nitrogen-infused foams, but DNA-tuned has larger gas cells in the heel and smaller cells in the forefoot. This gives it excellent shock absorption at landing, then responsive bounce at toe-off, all while trimming weight. The rocker sole shape promotes smooth transitions, ensuring this massive shoe doesn't feel clunky underfoot. Finally, it's topped with a breathable and well-padded engineered mesh upper for a plushness that envelopes your feet. The verdict on this new shoe? It's a winner. Furrer appreciated its super soft ride, and found it surprisingly peppy. The RW testers agreed. They've provided so much comfort with each step, said one. From heel to forefoot, they felt like clouds. Number 3. Asics Nova Blast 5. Running shoes designed for men won't necessarily work just as well for women, who have different anatomy including feet that tend to be wider at the forefoot than men's feet. So an appropriately roomy forefoot was just one of the reasons the As6 Nova Blast 5 stood out in our recent test pool of women's running shoes. The shoe's midsole uses Asics's lightweight and high-rebound FF Blast Max cushioning for a ride that's more energetic than most. A few strips of high-abrasion rubber on the outsole provide enough grip for the road, while helping keep the shoe's weight down to a very competitive 9 ounces for men and 7.9 ounces for women. Up top, the engineered mesh outsole is lightweight and breathable, although some found it too wide in the midfoot. Like most Asics we've tested, there's plenty of padding around the heel collar and tongue to prevent hot spots. Per tester Stephanie Petrides, a self-described Asics girl growing up who eventually tried other brands in her mid-20s, the Nova Blast 5 reminded me of why I used to love running in Asics. They just fit my feet really well. I loved the cushioning and felt like my feet and knees did not take a beating because of how well cushioned these shoes are. Number 4. As6 Metaspeed Sky Paris Running Shoe. The Metaspeed Sky is a favorite among Olympic runners, RW editors, and our wear testers. It occupies a unique niche. It's a high-performance racing shoe that's also comfy and durable enough for training miles. The Sky Paris represents a ground-up overhaul to make it lighter, more propulsive, and more comfortable. Asics swapped in a new Flight Foam Turbo Plus midsole made with polyether block amide, PEBA, which gives the shoe great shock absorption and a bouncy feel with minimal weight. Like previous iterations, an embedded carbon fiber plate in the midsole helps you wring maximum energy return from the thick stack of foam. In addition, Asics used a new last to build this shoe, creating a closer fit, and a tighter knit upper that offers more support on the medial side. The more open knit upper also creates better breathability throughout. It's comfy, very light, and speedy. One RW tester called it an awesome shoe. It made me feel very fast, and it had a great ride, they said. One note, the Metaspeed Paris comes in 2 versions, the Sky, which we link to here, and its sister shoe, the Edge. The former is developed for runners who lengthen their stride as they run faster, while the latter is developed for runners who increase their cadence to pick up speed. The difference is subtle. We reviewed the Sky and Edge as one shoe, and you'll likely need to try both pairs to determine which is best for you. Either way, you'll get a zippy, propulsive shoe that will shine during 5 Burmese chots, marathons, and fast-paced training runs. Number 5. Adidas Adios Pro 4. Right now, running brands are in fierce competition to create the very best super shoes. Elite racing models designed for blazing through a marathon. Notably bouncy with a smooth ride and good traction, the Adidas Adios Pro 4 is our current favorite, and the shoe Dengate planned to wear to last year's NYC Marathon. In developing the Adios Pro 4, Adidas threw in everything and the kitchen sink. The massive midsole stacks 2 layers of the brand's top-tier Lightstrike Pro Foam, a material derived from thermoplastic polyester elastomers that absorbs impacts well and offers high energy return. The foam is paired with carbon-infused energy rods that align with the metatarsal bones of the foot. They boost the shoe's energy return and create a snappy, energetic feel. A thin textile upper saves weight, and on the bottom, the Adios Pro 4 wears a full-coverage continental rubber outsole, a rare feature for shoes in this class, for reliable grip on pavement. Our W testers were overwhelmingly pleased with this shoe's lively feel and especially its soft and propulsive midsole. One praised its amazing blend of cushioning and speed performance, while another appreciated its grippy outsole and called it a class above most super shoes. Not everyone was wholly satisfied with the shoe, though. Some testers noted issues with instability, especially with the soft heel foam. Despite that quibble, the Adios remains an absolute stunner in a hotly contested category. For an extra bit of oomph at your next race, this is the shoe to try.